Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript, MCQs test and audio test as well. So first step is you must read Gotranscription guideline rule. These Gotranscription guideline rule is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the MCQs test as well as audio test. These guideline is very important. You must read these guidelines. This clean verbatim section is very important in audio test. So you must need to focus on this clean verbatim section. Other transcription guideline is also very important. So after reading this transcription guideline, you easily pass MCQs test and audio test. So after reading this transcription guideline, let's start MCQs test first. So here is to apply for transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% using our guideline. These are guidelines. And each question can have one or more correct answer. So first question is, what is the basic rule a worker should follow while transcribing the audio? First option is, you should never use explanation marks. So this is correct option. Second option, the beginning of every sentence should be capitalized. This is also correct. Third option, when quoting, the first word of a complete sentence should be capitalized. This option is also correct. So first question answer is A, B and C. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply read transcription guideline rules, so you easily understand why these three options are correct option of first question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is a grammatical question, and question is, there dash good books out there. So there is 4 different option and correct option is B. There are good books out there. So option B is the correct option of second question. Third question is, if there is an etc. in the audio, what should you do? So we simply check transcription guideline related to etc. word. So using Ctrl plus F command, simply we search etc. word, and so here is, do not remove the word etc. unless the client asks otherwise in the comment section. So that's why option B is correct option, transcribe etc. as a part of the audio. A and C option are not correct. So third question answer is B. Fourth question is, which is the correct format according to the Gotranscription guidelines? So here is 4 different options, and correct option is option B. She come to me and said, then comma and other sentence written in quotation mark. So this is the correct option of these sentence. Fifth question is, what should you do with the course words? So we simply checked Gotranscription guideline related to course word. So here is, if there are course word in the audio, transcribe them word for word. So this is the rule about course word. So according to the transcription guideline, fifth question answer is B, transcribe it word for word. So this is the correct option. Sixth question is, what is the correct format of timestamping change of a speaker? So here is 6 different option, and correct option is option F, means last option First time stamping, then speaker name, and then colon. All words are written in bold form. So this is the format of change of speaker. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply follow transcription guideline rules. So here is a change of speaker. So you get the answer of this question. There is two types of time stamping. First type is, so if you scroll down and you hear every time when speaker change, if you click on this docs file or PDF, you get the rules of change of speaker and get the format of. So that's why sixth question answer is last option. Seventh question, why should you always transcribe files on your own? There's two different options, and correct option is option B. Using AI is a breach of code transcription advertisement of 100% human generated transcription service. AI will not help you with the real work either due to its quality or variety of accents you will come across. So that's why this option is correct option. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply follow transcription guideline and read one more time to understand why this option is correct option. Eighth question is, if there is a sentence, last month I went to Warsaw, the capital of Poland, and so on. So there is four different option, and correct option is option C. C is the correct option of eighth question. If you have any doubt related to this question, you simply follow transcription guideline rules. And ninth question is, my eyes dash below. So here is four different options, and correct option is my eyes are below. So option D is the correct option of ninth question. 10th question, what do you have to do when a person agrees on something by saying yep or okay in green or medium? So you need to simply check transcription guideline, and here is written as yes, all right must be written as, and second, never spell okay or okay, it must be spelled as okay. So this is the correct format. So according to the transcription guideline, option A is the correct option of 10th question. So after all, you simply need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of
this audio
Gotranscript audio test. So before starting audio test, make sure you must read Gotranscription guideline rules. Before starting audio test, you must read Gotranscription guideline rule 1 to 2 times. Without reading Gotranscription guideline rule, you never pass Gotranscript audio test. And I am also recommended you to please also check the old test as well on Gotranscription sites. So after checking the Gotranscription guideline rules and old test, let's start the audio test. I already transcribed audio test into text form. You need to simply apply transcription guideline rule before submitting the audio test. So let's start the audio test.
Is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
So Steve, tell me about exactly what's going on with the solar project and what it is that you're trying to do tonight.
Well, I'm trying to figure out a way to adapt a common positive regulator, solar battery charger, with a common negative comparator circuit that would then monitor the voltage on the solar panel relative to the battery voltage, but since the polarities of the two control systems are essentially opposite, it leaves me with a dilemma. But I think I may have found a solution, possibly by using the positive input as a negative, as a common with the comparator circuit floating. But it might not work because the sensing voltage is less, and then put the minus voltage at too much.
What would happen if you reverse the polarities?
Boom.
Okay. So
Or the problem is by trying to keep the polarities the same. When the solar power drops off, then there's about 20 volt potential between the negative common, the negative leads on the battery charging system. But the board has a wired in common negative on the board, so it'll basically burn a trace on the board from too much current trying to go through it. They're cheap boards, but still, there's enough problem with the voltage potential that it would definitely damage it. I might be able to, I gotta think about this because there's so many things. The easiest way to do it, I figure, is get one of those little wall works, 24 volt output, and run it through a small regulator as a reference for the comparator. Connect that to the monitoring voltage to the solar panel, and use it that way. But then it doesn't use only the solar side. I have to basically cheaply use some of the utility power to run this.
wow.
Which is not my goal. The goal is to be evil genius by running solar power all through my house into the planet.
You think that would save us a few bucks every month?
Actually, the way we've been going, it's been potentially saving us about maybe 20, 25 bucks a month.
Wow. Okay.
Even for a small little plant like this.
And what was it you got in the mail today? That part that you got?
That was the second voltage comparator. I already have one working on the charger system, but it's able to be isolated from the battery because it's looking. Wait a minute, I got that one to work.
Okay, well, slow
There'll be a
down.
way I can make this work.
All right. Well, thank you for that on-the-spot interview for Gotranscript. I'm the person recording this. Thank you.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. Submitting the audio test, make sure you apply all Gotranscription guide and rules. Thank you very much. See you soon.